Yun, nakuha na natin itong mga plano, 9 sets po ito, architectural and engineering plans. Tinataka na siya ng Park Spring Subdivision. As you can see, approved na po siya ng administrator ng Park Spring Subdivision in Barangay San Antonio here in Laguna. So 9 sets, okay na, approved na. Nakuha na rin po natin ang barangay clearance. So we're good to go with the first 2 levels. May nagpa-park, sana hindi niya masagi itong kotse of those offices that have jurisdictions over our project. Now, pwede na tayo magpunta. Paki-zoom in nga doon sa sa building ng San Pedro City Hall. Pwede na tayo magpunta. Ang ganda, first time po namin dito, no? Ayan. First time po namin dito. Pupuntahan na natin itong Office of the Building Official. Again, kagaya na nasabi ko sa inyo, in the past, in light of their compliance with the Ease of Doing Business Act, isang office na lang pupuntahan natin. At meron na tayong contact person. Okay? So, siya na ang bahala sa pagsisecure ng locational clearance, ng fire safety evaluation clearance, and of course, finally, ng building permit. Marami tayong requirements. 5 sets! Napakarami, no? Pero 3 sets muna. Let's head over to the first. Itong 3 sets. 3 sets ng plans and specifications. 3 sets as well. Isa-isahin natin. Ito yung nakuha natin from the subdivision administration certification, okay, allowing us to build in the property. Next one, barangay clearance, allowing us to build in the property as well. And the next one, ito yung OR ng barangay clearance. Next one, tax deck, of course. Next one, transfer certificate of title, certified true copy. And then next one, that's it. Okay? Together with the plans and specifications, of course, kailangan din ng architectural. Sorry, isa-isahin lang natin yung specifications. Number 1, architectural specifications. Number 2, structural specifications. Number 3, plumbing specifications. And then number 4, electrical specifications. Wala po kaming mechanical. Wala rin kaming, Fire Pro is already integrated here. Mga fire extinguishers lang naman siya. So, ganun lang kasimple, no? And then, of course, we have this structural design analysis, design criteria, and calculations. And electrical load analysis. Okay. So, essentially, lahat ng technical documents na kailangan for your particular project, pakitanong na lang sa LGU kung ano yung particular documents, no, technical documents na kailangan. Sometimes, nagva-vary po ito per local government unit. So, we have to check what's required based on the typology of your project, okay, according to the LGU that is concerned. So, 3 sets ito. And then, ito, medyo marami, no? 9 na yung pre-prepare ko. 10 yung pre-prepare ko, actually, yung isa na ibigay na namin sa barangay hall na blueprints. Okay. And then, ito yung mga additional sets in case lang mga ilangan pa sila sa amin. Tapos, 5 sets here in the city of San Pedro. 5 yung kailangan nilang sets, or copies rather, for the permit application forms. Again, nagva-vary ito per LGU. In the case of San Pedro, they require us to submit 5 copies per set of the building permit application form. So, iba yung building permit application form, iba rin itong application form per trade. Meron tayong electrical permit application form, and then plumbing permit application form. Ito yung covered kasi ng ating project. Maliit lang yung project natin, makikita nyo yan as soon as we start with the construction. So ito lang. Depende again doon sa pangangailangan ng project, 5 sets yan. In this case, building permit application form, electrical permit application form, and then plumbing permit application form. Tig-5 sets po yan. So, ayun, bago tayo malate, puntahan na natin itong si Office of the Building Official para masimulan ang proseso. We will let you know what happens. According lang naman po sa Building Code, PD 1096, the National Building Code of the Philippines, kapag nabayaran na natin yung amount na nakalagay doon sa order of payment, within 15 days, dapat ma-release na nila ang building permit. Ang locational clearance even, ganun din sa locational clearance, ganoon din sa fire safety evaluation clearance, and then ganoon din sa building permit. I'm not so sure kung isahan na lang yung pag-release nitong 3 orders of payment, or I don't know, it's our first time to have a project here in the city of San Pedro. So, we'll let you know. Again, sometimes nag-vary po yan per LGU. So, there. Pero itong order of payment ang minsan matagal. Hopefully, mabilis lang dito sa San Pedro. So, we'll get back to you. Yun lang naman for now.